The Mitsubishi fr-sgi-2-3 7K is a closed-loop spindle drive used in a variety of machine tools. This particular unit was out of a vertical mill and did not orient the tool caddy in the system. As shown in the video, we were able to find both the problems in the motor and driver, which we tested both the general operation and the orient tool command. This drive was completely rebuilt during the time we had it, along with the motor encoder system, which also had a problem when it arrived. ERD has extensive motor control experience, including many brands and types of spindle systems, from Okuma to Yaskawa and Mitsubishi, to just name a few. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.